Hi, I'm Tyson Franklin. I just want to let everybody know that I'm doing a one-day marketing workshop with my good friend Nicky Jurd, who's a tech and online expert. She's a bit of a guru, and it's titled Innovative Marketing for Podiatrists in 2024. Now, it's going to be held on the 2nd of February, and we're running it in South Bank in Brisbane at Mantra. All the details are on my website, tysonfranklin.com. Click on events, and you'll see all the information there. Now, what we're going to be covering is a lot about using Google, SEO, websites, understanding the whole online world and how it relates to your podiatry business, and how, if you can sort of grasp this information, you can get ahead of the curve and get in front of what all the other podiatrists in your area are actually doing. But we're combining this also with some aspects of traditional marketing. And at the end of the day, you will leave with what I call an innovative marketing wheel. And with that wheel, the patient is in the center. And you've got to understand where the patient is on their journey. Now, there's some people out there who don't even know you exist at the moment. There's other people that know you exist, but they haven't spent any money with you. There's other ones that have spent some money with you. There's some that spend money on a regular basis, and there's some that actually refer patients to you or friends and family on a regular basis. They're in the center of the wheel. You need to understand where they are on their journey or where they are on their path. Once you understand this, then the rest of the wheel will sort of fall into place. You'll know what platforms to use and when. What modality should you be speaking to them? Are you going to use text? Are you going to use video? Are you going to use audio? There's all these different aspects. When the whole wheel is actually put together at the end of the day, at any given time, you'll be able to work out who you want to talk to. And then following this wheel, you'll know exactly what you should be doing and what's going to give you the biggest impact for your podiatry business. Now, at the moment, we have an early bird price that is there until the 6th of January. Then the price will go up. This is only going to be for a small group of podiatrists. This is not going to be a major, a huge event. We'd like to keep it small because it's going to be very interactive and hands-on. We're recommending people to bring their iPads, bring their laptops. We want them doing stuff with us in the room. So when they leave, they totally understand what they need to do when they get back to work the next day. So just remind you, it's Friday, the 2nd of February. It's going to be South Bank, Brisbane. Details are on my website, tysonfranklin.com. And like I said, the early bird price is there until the 6th of January. Then it will be going up. Okay, I look forward to seeing a few familiar faces there. The last couple of events we've run have been absolutely fantastic. Feedback has been great. And this event is going to be no different. I tell you right now, it will change the way that you look at your podiatry business, how you market your podiatry business. And we're probably not going to do another one until 2025. So if you miss this one, you're going to have to wait a whole year, and there's going to be other podiatrists that are going to have a 12-month head start on you. Okay, so go and check it out, tysonfranklin.com. Click on events. You'll see all the information there, and I look forward to seeing a few of you there. Bye.